A very warm and cheerful morning, dear student. I hope you all are stay safe at your home and enjoyed your vacation also. Now it's time to start the study. I hope you have enjoyed your vacation very well. Now it's time to start the study and you have to just be ready to attend the video lectures. So, dear student, before going to start, I want to just tell you about the syllabus. Now your syllabus is gets changed, so you have to just purchase the books, purchase new book set. So from today onward, that we are going to start the course book portion. So while we start any subject, while we start the learning of any subject, so we must have to know we must have to just keep the books with us. तो हमारे पास books होनी needful होती है. It's very essential while we start any subject, while we start any study. So if some students are still remain to purchase it, so very earlier you have to just purchase it because it's very essential to attend the video lecture. Because when we start any video lecture and if you don't have any book or notebook, so you won't get any clear the points or any lesson. So just purchase it fast if you won't purchase then. So let me start, dear student. From today onward, we are going to start the course book portion. So the first topic of the course book is गोल बटरफिंगर्स. आई होप कि आप लोगों ने ये जो बुक है आपकी परचेज कर ली होंगी. नाउ द नेम ऑफ द कोर्स बुक इज वीवर्स. इट्स आर कोर्स बुक. सो आपको ये परचेज करनी है. देन वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द टॉपिक. सो द फर्स्ट लेसन इज गोल बटर फिंगर्स. एंड for English subject you have to just make 200 pages notebook also. So let's get started. First topic, first lesson name is goal butter fingers. So if you have your books and notebooks, so just be ready with your book and notebook because I am going to start the explanation of it. First of all, before going to start the story, I want to just tell you about this lesson or about this story, that what is given in this story. So it is one of the story of a boy whose name is Amar Kishan. Amar Kishan, and it's a very good story about that boy, and where with Amar Kishan and his friends they discuss about a football team or football matches, and they plan some football team in their school also, and they want to just organize a tournament in their school. वो अपने स्कूल में एक टूर्नामेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करना चाहते हैं. So it's very exciting and it's very funny story about this boy of the school Green Park, and they decided or they plan and they want to just organize a football match in their school. So it's a discussion, it's a story about this incident. Now we are going to start. So first of all, I read the first paragraph. Just listen it very carefully, and if you have the book, so just underline difficult words, and it's your work to find out the word meaning. You have to just maintain dictionary always, all time while you attend the video lectures of English. So just you have to just keep your dictionary with you to find out any word meaning which is difficult to you. So let us start. First I read the first paragraph. Obsessed with football, Amar comes up with a brilliant idea, a school World Cup tournament where each class will play a different country. Does Amar's team really have a chance to win? Goal Butterfingers. The second book in the Butterfingers series gives a hilarious account of the exploits of Amar and his friends as they make their hair-brained plans. So as I already told you that it's a story of Amar Kishan and his friends where they want to just organize a football match in their school. So for it he had a brilliant idea that how they can organize a football match or football tournament in their school. So now let us see that if that maybe or does his team will get a chance to win the match. Now let us see this story. So first of all, before going to start, I want to just tell you the meaning of the word butterfingers. Now what does it mean by butterfinger? Butterfinger means a person who drop the things frequently. जो पर्सन कोई भी चीज़ें बार बार हाथ से नीचे गिराता है, that person is said to be butterfinger. So let I write the word meaning here, and as well as you have to just note it down the word meaning also in your notebook. Butterfingers means a person who drops the things. Who drops the things. Now, as I told you that he was very obsessed with the football match. He was very worried. Now, what does the mean by obsessed? Yes, worried. And now, hilarious means cheerful. Then, harebrained means foolish. Harebrained means foolish. So now they want to just Amar Kishan, he wants to just organize a football tournament in his school. Now let us see. Spain won the World Cup. Spain, yippee! They actually did it. My favorite team. And as we all know, when we talk about the football teams, Spain, Belgium, Brazil, France, England. These are the very top international famous teams for the football. And Amar Kishan, whose favorite team is Spain, and when the World Cup was held, so that time Spain won that football match, and it's very excitement, it's very amazing for the Amar Kishan, because his favorite team is Spain. So that's why when this team has been won the match, so he was too much excited. When Amar Kishan and his friend, as you can see, if you have the book, so you can see two friends are there, Amar Kishan and his friend Kiran. So both are the good friends, both are the best friends, but their teams for the football matches are different, their choices are different. तो दोनों जो friend है वो दोनों अलग अलग team को support करते हैं. So what happened? Once they were in the bus stop. They were at the bus stop. जब एक बार वो लोग bus stop में थे and they discuss about the football tournament, football team, and when they know that when Amar told the news to the Kiran about the Spain won the match of, or Spain won the World Cup in football match. Abhi Amar greeted Kiran with these words as they met at the bus stop. He added an impromptu word to dance to drive home his elation, which sent his bag hurtling down his shoulder to land with a bang on his friend's foot. Oops, sorry, Spain won. And when he knew about the Spain won the match, Spain won the football team, he was too much excited. And when he started to tell the news to his friend Kiran, he just fell down his bag on his friend's foot, and he was a little bit annoyed, और वो उसका जो friend होता है वो चिढ़ जाता है उस पर, because he dropped the thing again. As I told you, the word meaning of the butterfinger is a person who drop the things frequently, जो कोई भी चीज़ों को बार बार गिराता है. It's his habit. So the butterfinger, this word is used for the Amar Kishan. Now he dropped the thing in his friend's foot. Enough butter, heard you the first time, said Kiran, morosely cutting into the panegyric and hopping on one's foot. You don't have to rub it in. Kiran came from a Brazil family, fans, and was heartbroken when the team had made an unexpected exit in the quarterfinals. So he was when he fallen down his bag on his friend's feet. His friend was too much annoyed, and what he replied, "Enough butter, heard you the first time, I already heard you, or I know I understand what you want to say. You want to say about your favorite team, I heard it, and as I told you, both friends' choices are different, their teams are different." So now he was not happy when he heard the news that his favorite team, Spain, won the match, because he belongs to the Brazil family. He was a supporter to the Brazil team. वो Brazil team को support करता था. That's why he didn't like when Spain won the match. And it was heartbroken when the team had made an unexpected exit in the quarterfinals. Subsequently, he had shifted his allegiance. And when Kiran knew about, as his favorite team is Brazil, and when he knew that his favorite team is left, or it made unexpected exit from the quarter finals. जब उसे ये पता चलता है कि उसकी जो फेवरेट टीम है वो क्वार्टर फाइनल से भी निकल चुकी है, so he felt again very nervous. Subsequently, he had shifted his allegiance after much soul searching and with some clairvoyance to Holland. Now, afterwards, what he decided, when he know that the team is already exit from the क्वार्टर फाइनल, सो ही स्टार्टेड टू सपोर्ट द हॉलैंड टीम. तो वो हॉलैंड टीम को सपोर्ट करना स्टार्ट करता है. ही हैड बीन रादर vociferously backing Holland, ignoring the allegation of turncoat and feared weather supporter hurled at him by his family. Holland's defeat to Spain had therefore been a bitter pill to swallow. Now, then after he joined he started to support the team Holland, but when at last when the final match had been played between Holland team and Spain team, and unfortunately the favorite team of Kishan is that team had been won the match, और उसी की जो टीम होती है वो लास्ट में जीत जाती है. So that's why again he felt very nervous. So in this way, dear student, we have seen first 3 paragraphs of this story, where we have seen that it's a story of 2 friends, where once they wants to just organize a football team in their school, and once they discussed about the football matches, and he was a great supporter of Spain, and when Spain won the match, he was too much excited, but his friends was not. So remaining story we will continue in next period, in next video lecture. So first of all, what you have to do, dear student, you have to just complete the word meaning. You have to just note it down, this word meaning, in your notebook, as well as the remaining word meaning which is there. You have to just complete it, that one also in your notebook, and if any other new words will be there, so just underline it and try to just find out the word meaning from the dictionary. Now it's time to homework. As I always told you that while we talk about the English course book portion, so reading is very important, because very new words are there, very difficult words are there. So it should be your in habit that always while we read any story, just make it underline the word meaning and try to get the word meaning, find out the word meaning from the dictionary. So it's your homework to read the whole story once again and just underline it, as well as just note it down the word meaning in your notebook, and we'll meet you in next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.